bus.
Care for animals. Welcome to the Animal Rescue Station. I'm the Animal Keeper Kiki. Let's use a drone to find out which animals need our help. Locate the injured animal. A frozen crocodile is found. This is a sick peacock. A rhinoceros is stuck in the tire. Choose it. Hoi! Hoi! Follow the animal. Injured animals. Icons and you will find the injured animals. Drag. Take them back to the rescue center for treatments. Let the animals dormitories. The neck of the rhinoceros is stuck in the tire. Let's help it. Keep going. The rhinoceros is almost free. Look, the neck of the rhinoceros is injured. Its horn is also broken. Turn the handle to make a new horn for the rhinoceros. Smooth out the broken edges of the horn. Awesome! The rhinoceros has a new horn. Rhinoceroses like to eat all kinds of leaves. Please help examine it. It is very healthy now. You've helped an animal again. Let's take it home. Rhinoceroses live in open grasslands. Goodbye, rhinoceros. The lake is frozen, and the crocodile is also frozen. The crocodile is saved, but it's still shivering with cold. Wow, those are crocodile eggs. The crocodile eggs will hatch more quickly in a warm nest. The baby crocodiles are hatched! That's great! The mommy crocodile and her babies are very happy. Crocodiles like to eat fish. Please help examine it. It is very healthy now. You've helped an animal again. Let's take it home. Crocodiles normally live in a river or a lake. Goodbye, crocodile. Peacock is unhappy because it has a skin disease. Oh my! There are so many bugs on the peacock! Yeah! The peacock's skin disease is cured! It wants beautiful tail feathers! Let's take it home. Peacocks live in jungles. Goodbye, peacock. So need our help. A zebra with mud all over is found. A monkey red and swollen all over is found. A hippo in need of water is found. Shoot! Hoi! Hoi! Follow the animal icons and you will find the injured animals. Rescue Center for treatments. the animals.
The zebra likes to roll in the sand with mud all over.
Wow, it's clean! Let's examine the interior of the zebra. Oh no! There's a lot of dust in its lungs. Let's help it clean the lungs. Great work! The dust has been all cleaned up. The zebra likes to eat all kinds of branches and leaves. Please help examine it. It is very healthy now. You've helped an animal again. Let's take it home. The zebra lives on the grassland. Goodbye, zebra. Hippo spends most of its time in water. Water is very much needed for it. The hippo has been out of water for too long, and its skin has cracked. Let's apply some ointment. Apply a waterproof Band-Aid. Make an inflatable swimming pool for the hippo. The hippo is so happy in the water. Please help examine it. It is very healthy now. You've helped an animal again. Let's take it home. The hippo lives in the reeds by the river. Goodbye, hippo. The monkey crawls around the tree and makes itself dirty and itchy. Take a look and find out where the fleas are on the monkey. Found them! Let's get them into the jar. oxygen. Great! The monkey is jumping up and down again. To eat bananas. Please help examine it. It is very healthy now. You've helped an animal again. Let's take it home. The monkey lives in the jungle. Goodbye, monkey. Sick brown bear is found.